Hello, it's the Stick Guy 123, and I'm going to show you guys how to draw the new and brand new awesome bird, the orange bird. Over here I drew it just so I can remember. Nice, right? And also saw stage 2, kind of drew that a little fat. Okay, this is how you draw it. Alright, first you're going to make kind of a banana shape. Yeah, kind of like banana. And then you're gonna make another banana. Then you kind of make the inside. Just a ton. And darken this part out. Alright. There. That's the beak. Next, for the eyes, we're going to make 2 circles. Now, the next circle is going to kind of be like there. Then we're going to make a kind of black circle. Well, another circle. Then we're going to shade that in black. Now after you did that, you're going to go to the other side to start like right about here. And take your pencil. And shade that in. Alright, next we're going to do the pupils. Just a kind of a small circle. Shade that in. There, we have really already done the beak. And then we did the eyes. Next, we are going to kind of go attach that. Go down. Actually, sorry guys, just erase this bottom, and then we're gonna go kind of like that. It's gonna be kind of like an oval circle shape. Next, then we're gonna make his little belly right there. Shade this in black. Alright, so you got that. Next, we're gonna do the eyebrows, which actually you're gonna touch it like, well, kind of right there. And then
so, I was thinking, how about if I become a live-in? A live-in what? Easier for you, easier for me, everybody wins. Gee, oh, hold that thought. My phone just kicked in.
and shade it in. And there's a little crease here too. Next, to finish it off, we're gonna go. And there you go, and that is the orange bird. And there you go. That's how you draw it. And again, like I said, please comment me to draw more different birds. I'll draw any kind. I just got a comment to draw the new orange bird, so whoever commented me, there you go. And that's it. Bye.